This is a 1988 Mercedes Benz 560 SL. That's a 5.6 liter V8. And Mercedes Benz made a number of these cars. And this car has almost 200,000 miles on it. I understand that the odometer just stopped working on it. So it definitely needs some work, but the concern I have the most is that you can see that there's some rust down here. Let me see if I can show you. Down here. It's missing a little piece here in the grill. And as with all of these older Mercedes, you can see the clear coat is wearing off. So you have scratches. It does have the original windshield, which is really, really awesome. And it has a new top. And you can see the back plastic is in nice shape. Here, you can see the rust here. I've never seen this on a Mercedes, but that's why we have priced this so low, under $10,000. So, on the interior, you have the black leather interior, and the wood, you can see, is in pretty decent shape. It had the original radio has been taken out. Does have the airbag over here. The SRS stands for the airbag. And the odometer has evidently just stopped working not too long ago. A 195, you can see on it. This door, the latch is missing, so and there's a hole right here. So I'm going to open up the trunk here. So the trunk is very large enough for your golf clubs. Here's your battery back here, and underneath this mat should be a full-size spare tire. Let's just see. Looks like it's here. There's your full-size spare tire, and there's the toolkit. It looks like it's still in the bag here. So, to open up the engine compartment, come underneath here, the wheel well, and on the side here is a lever. I'm going to pull on that. Okay. And then walk around the front here. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. I have a little release here. I can't find it. Okay, and then you reach in here. There's a little lever in there. Just pull in towards you. And here's the engine compartment. I understand there's a little transmission leak. Here's the build plate here. So you can see the original color is 040. Right there is black. And then your interior is black. And here's the body, or a VIN stamp here, excuse me. So we're going to start this car up, and I'm going to take it for a little test drive. This is Suzanne from G&S Motors, 302-545-3489. Okay, we are going to drive this 1988 560 SL. See how it steers, how the brakes work. Brakes are a little soft and I see some brake lights on, so just a heads up, people. You're gonna have to put some work into this car. But where can you buy a classic like this for under $10,000? So I love the large steering wheel. This had recirculating ball steering. Mercedes was always ahead of their time with the airbags, safety features of the car. Mercedes is made for the German Autobahn. So we're just taking it for a short ride. The handling feels good. And let's see, turn signals work. I'm just making a U-turn here. See the turning radius? Look at that. So an SL is heavier than the S-Class because they reinforce all the body panels, including the roof. So the car drives good. The engine sounds really strong. As I said earlier, it does have a transmission leak, so that'll have to be taken care of. It could be just because the car's been sitting. Okay, we're going to pull this back in. Thank you for joining us for this video. Suzanne from G&S Motors.